Hello. Now, I don't know how many of you even give a fuck, but I decided I should make things clear. I didn't upload the past couple of days because I was very busy. Doing what? Busy doing nothing. गाडीवर फिरणं नाही झालं फार काही गाडीमध्ये. आणि जेव्हा पण मी फिरलो तेव्हा I wasn't alone. आणि the only way I can film these videos is when I'm alone. दुसऱ्या कोणासोबत केलं तर लोक गाडीत बसणार नाही माझ्या. I didn't know I still haven't gotten the phone stand. So it's still a dashboard ke bharose. Anyway, I've been chilling. I started making music again. One of the few things that I really enjoy. And yeah, the masterpiece is still coming. I don't know how many of you are still doing that. Yeah, it's coming. Just ran into some technical difficulties. You know, happens to the best of us. Anyway, today's video topic is top 5 animals. Top 5 animals that I'd absolutely kill myself in front of. I would not survive. I'm a pretty big animal guy. I like animals and shit. लहानपणी I used to watch फक्त Cartoon Network आणि Animal Planet. I know, very niche. Anyway, this isn't as a rank, you know, like worst chance of survival to the best chance of survival. It's mostly just whatever I hate. Okay, starting off, number 5. Non-colorful bugs. Big ones. So, with bugs, it's like bugs and any other cold-blooded animal, reptiles per se. त्यांच्यासोबत it's like, if they're colorful, stay the fuck away. Very homophobic, I know, but yeah, if they're colorful, you gotta stay away from them. But it's not that black and white as you might think. It's like some of the non-colorful ones will fuck you up equally, and in some cases worse than the colorful ones. And I don't like them, bro, because it's like, how the fuck are you supposed to differentiate within a few second time period in a life or death? And I hate the tropics for that too. Karan, no matter if you're living in a 5-star hotel in Brazil or let's say Konkan, Maharashtra, there's still gonna be fucking bugs in your bed and shit, you know, limited edition ones, that too. Anyway, moving on. At number 4, we have one of my favorite animals and one of the animals that I fucking hate and I'm scared of for the same reason. A honey badger. So honey badgers are, I think they marsupials astat or rodents, I don't even know. It's like otters, okay, but a very pissed off otter, certified crash out. So let me tell you, honey badgers share their home turf with lions, hyenas, what else? Leopards, crocodiles, anything that can kill you, okay, in very bad ways. And see, it's like they don't give a fuck, bro. They're not scared of anyone. They never duck a fade. So येईल त्याला घेईल mentality. It's like, bro, if you're gonna fuck with me or my food, I will fuck you. With you and you. You know? Because like I've seen videos of एक honey badger going against 10 hyena आणि त्याने सगळ्यांची गांड मारली. एक एक करून. It just doesn't back off, bro. त्याचा attack is attack and defense is attack. Offense is attack and defense is attack. And you know what the worst part is? One would think की अशा प्राण्यांना काय मारू शकतं तर venom. शाट फरक नाही पडत त्यांना. So honey badgerची स्किन असते खूप thick. So let's say a cobra bite or like a fucking cobra bite or any rattlesnake bite. नाही फरक पडत, bro. They get stunned. They don't die. Okay, they just 15-20 मिनिटं झोपतात, you know, pass out, and they wake up hungover. Like, shake it off. Nothing happened. And I like that mindset. It's very inspiring, you know. Anyway, number 3 is chimpanzees. Chimpanzini, bombonini. Third, does this shit even need an explanation, bro? Chimpanzees don't give a fuck, okay? तुम्हाला माहिती आहे त्यांचे अटॅक पॉइंट्स काय असतात? Your face and your member, your private part. See, at that point, it's as human as it gets. It's not about self-defense. They attack to cause damage, like intentional, lasting damage. And they're smart as fuck, bro. Who knows, in like the next 50 years, cybercrime पण सुरू करतील ते. Yeah, chimpanzees will rape you. There have been cases of them. There have been a lot of cases of chimpanzees raping each other and eating each other, but there have also been cases of chimpanzees raping humans. And I don't know what's scarier. Anyway, I'm not gonna expand on that. Moving on. Number 2. Number 2 is drum roll. You guessed it. क्या होता है? The bears. Bears are scary. 1,000-pound killing machine. मी एक व्हिडिओ बघितलेला ज्यात त्यांनी एका बेअरला like treatment वगैरे दिली. I think he fucked his leg up or something while he was in the wild, and then like they fixed him up. आणि मग ते त्याला परत रिलीज करत होते वाईल्डमधनं, आणि त्यांनी कॅमेरा माउंट केलेला टू लाईक रेकॉर्ड, यु नो, फॉर कॉन्टेंट. आणि यु नो द बेअर डेड लाईक द ग्रिझली बेअर होता आपला मोठा एकदम, आणि त्या व्हिडिओत असं होतं की त्याचा केज उघडलं. लोक तर ऑब्व्हियसली आजूबाजूला होते राहणार त्याच्यात, त्याला उघडलं तर रिमोटली असं त्या बटन दाबून उघडलं लांबूनच, आणि द मोमेंट दॅट मदरफकर केम आउट, तो नियरेस्ट मॅनमेड गोष्टीची गाण मारायला गेला. लाईक द कॅमेरा माउंटेड होता, ही वेंट अँड फकिंग अटॅक्ड इट, तोडून दिला. नाउ यू कांट रिझन विथ दीज काइंड्स ऑफ ॲनिमल्स आणि यू कांट टेम देम इदर. आणि टेम पण असं नाही की त्याला तू रोल आणि पॉ द्यायला शिकवशील, असंही नाही की यू कॅन लाईक यू नो टेल देम टू लाईक बॅक ऑफ और स्टे इन देअर टेरिटरी. बिकॉज ब्रो, बेअर्स विल ईट एनिथिंग, एनीवन ॲट एनी टाइम. हायबरनेटिंग बेअरला उठवलं तरी तुला खाऊन टाकेल तो. 3 AM स्नॅक. आणि इट्स लाईक तो रूल पण नाही लागू होत माहितीये का. इफ इट्स ब्लॅक फाईट बॅक, इफ इट्स ब्राऊन गेट डाऊन, नाही हां इफ इट्स व्हाईट गुड नाईट, हां ते पण नाही अप्लाय होत बरं. कारण सी ब्लॅक बेअर आला, दे अटॅक युअर फेस टू, and I'm not surviving that or after that. Karan, I like how I look. I don't want to lose my face card. If it's brown, you already know Vishay Samplay. And if it's white, I think the fact that he even encountered a polar bear is just, you're fucking stupid, bro. It's like natural selection is gonna take care of your ass now. So that's it. I would have killed myself if I were to encounter either of the 3 types of bears, you know. And yeah, at number 1 is obviously dolphins, because they're fucking murderers, drug addicts, rapists, all that. You can Google it. Anyway, peace.